She goes, come on. She goes, jump in.
I have one
She
class.
goes, okay, never mind, later. So you can grab this in my car seat.
And
She goes, take that. She goes, that's the only car. This car's better. She goes, beep, 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 beep. What's that? Look at Mama. There you go. She goes, oh, earlier she was trying to cover up herself. She would grab this and she would like try to cover herself. No, yuck, yuck. And she would try to do like twistery in number 3. Okay, bye. You stay down. You go up. You stay down. You go up. She goes, I make the rules around here.
That's it.
I don't like her doing that. Like grabbing onto this. Because like, what if she got stuck? No. She goes, I'm coming towards you.
Hey, baby. What are you doing? Bye-bye.
She goes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Beep, 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 beep,
Go, keep going. So I can't see you guys no more.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.